Open the rear gate slowly. First Red Brahman coming down. Everything looks calm.
Everything looks calm. Let's keep it that way.
Guide them toward the inspection lane. Health check comes first. Guide them through lane 3. Keep the line moving slowly.
Everything looks normal. Inspection team is ready inside.
Let's bring them into the facility. Keep them together.
They're staying calm. Continue toward the next section.
The inspection area is ready. Everything is under control.
Let's keep moving. Let's verify the total.
36 confirmed. Next bull coming forward.
Count matches today's delivery. Everything is correct.
All animals are feeding normally. Feed quality looks excellent.
Record today's feeding report. Everything is healthy.
We'll continue monitoring. Freshwater supply is stable.
Hydration levels look excellent. Record today's water intake. Everything appears healthy. Continue monitoring the herd.
Inspection is smooth. Every animal looks healthy. Feed levels replenished. Records are complete. No issues here.
Continue monitoring. Let's register the next animal.
Ear tag successfully scanned. Identification verified.
Health profile has been updated. Database synchronized successfully.
Muddy bulls arriving. Boost the pressure.
It's washing off perfectly. Clean red coats appearing now. Move them to the next stage. Start the drying sequence.
Air temperature is stable. The coats are drying perfectly.
Everything looks excellent.
Drying cycle complete. This coat is perfectly clean. The horns look excellent. Finishing the final brushing.
Let's check the health indicators. Heart rate is normal. Body temperature is perfect.
This hide has excellent thick elasticity. Standing quality indicators.
Inspection complete. Proceed to the next stage.
Database updated. Records complete. Ready for processing. Let's move to the next stage.
Consistency is key in luxury manufacturing, with each horn section exhibiting uniform grain patterns for premium finished products. Segments moving through, sorting by density and color.
Grade A pieces going to cufflinks. Grade B for accessories.
Ring inspection. No cracks, no scratches. Perfect surface finish. Approved. Moving to packaging. Next piece for inspection. The assembly line operates with precision and efficiency, with each station contributing to the creation of luxury red horn accessories. The red hides undergo an eco-friendly tanning process, preserving the rich color and natural texture that makes Brahman leather so distinctive. Roller press engaged. Pressure stable.
Thickness consistent across hide.
Thickness at 4.0 millimeters. Within specification. Color consistency perfect.
Pattern cutting initiated. Precision stable.
Zero waste pattern optimized. Cutting clean. Edges perfect.
Perfect.
No damage. Ready for finishing.
Expert finishing brings out the rich red color and natural texture of the Brahman leather, creating a truly premium material. Accessory assembly complete. Color consistency perfect. Quality confirmed. Moving to final assembly. Hardware installation complete. Alignment confirmed. Secure fit confirmed. Every accessory undergoes rigorous final inspection to ensure flawless quality before it is approved for packaging. Each accessory receives a unique serial number, ensuring authenticity and complete traceability. Packaging complete. Quality check passed. Ready for dispatch. QR code scanned. Product registered. Blockchain record updated. Traceability confirmed. Complete traceability from bull to finished accessory ensures transparency and customer trust.
Loading in progress. Climate-controlled truck.
Temperature set at 18 degrees. Humidity at 55%.
All boxes loaded. Security seals applied. GPS tracker activated. Dispatch ready. Each accessory begins its journey to the customer, with real-time tracking, ensuring secure and timely delivery.